What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Spencer. I'm an award-winning teacher, and I help parents and caregivers just like yourself teach your little ones to read. One of the most common questions I get asked is, how long does it take to teach my kid a good reading lesson? And my answer is always the same. It doesn't take very long. In just 5 minutes or less, you can teach your kid an incredible reading lesson that's gonna get them on the path to reading on their own. In this video, I'm gonna prove just that in the first video in our series, Full Lesson Fridays. I'm gonna do a full lesson with Isa in less than 5 minutes, and by the end of this video, you are gonna be reading. So, with that said, let's jump right into this video where you can see what an amazing 5-minute lesson looks like for you to try at home. Okay, so since he already knows all of his basic letter sounds, we're gonna start by quickly reviewing them, and then practicing blending some words. Ready to go? All right, let's start our timer. What's that sound say?
Yeah,
Good,
but
good.
oh,
Ah,
ah,
we'll put that one there. Good.
it,
Mm-hmm.
g,
Excellent. Yep.
d,
Good. Your sounds are really clear right now. Awesome job. Uh-huh.
ah,
Good. Yep.
w, j,
Yeah.
e,
What sound? Eh. Good. Do you remember what sound that is?
o,
Ah. And what sound is that?
e,
Eh. Good. I'm gonna give you the Ninja Turtle. Can you jump on the sound that says ah? Which one says ah?
ah,
Good. And which one says eh? Yeah. Which one says ah?
ah,
And which one says eh? Good. Let's switch them for a second. And let's have him do some karate kicks. Okay. Can you do some big ones? Okay. Which one says eh? And make sure that you say the sound. What sound was that? And what's this sound?
ah,
Good. Let's do it one more time. Which one is ah?
ah,
Whoa, and which one's eh? Awesome job. High five. Ready to do a little bit of blending?
yeah,
What I'm gonna do with blending is I'm gonna go ahead and use those two sounds we were working on in the actual words we read. So we're gonna try reading some words with eh, some words with ah. Do you want this Ninja Turtle to watch you?
yeah,
We can set it right here so it watches. Awesome. We'll try reading that first word.
e,
Ooh, 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 ooh. This is the sound we just worked on. We did a karate chop on it. What does it say?
set,
Good. Sit. Let's change the first sound. Try that word.
g, at, get,
Good. Let's try another one. I'm gonna change two sounds. Yeah.
p, e, n, b, n, pen,
Yeah.
like you have a pen over there.
Yep. And let's look at the sound, the other one you were looking at. What's that first sound say?
Off, off,
Good. Another word.
up, mop,
Good. And let's do one more word with ah. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer, okay? Try reading that word.
og, frog,
Good. And we'll do a couple challenge words with all sorts of different sounds, okay? They're gonna be a little bit longer. Try this word. Two challenge words. What's that word say?
g, ant, grant,
Good. Even faster.
grant,
Good. And we'll do one more challenge word. That's a long one. Try that word.
slump,
Awesome job. So today we worked on two things. We reviewed your sounds, and what were the two sounds you were working on? Do you remember what they were? What were they? Uh-huh.
o,
And eh. And then we practiced blending words with those two sounds in it. You did awesome. Tomorrow, we're gonna work on some even longer words, and I might even show you a couple 2-letter sounds like that, okay? So there it is, 5 minutes. It's short and sweet. Notice I don't come in with a perfect lesson plan every single time. I'm just trying to see, what does he need to work on? Let me give him a lot of practice with that. He needs these 2 sounds, let's practice them. He needs blending, let's practice it. 5 minutes, done, go play. If you're a parent at home wanting to get started with your kid, you can do this. It's gonna be a lot easier, simpler, more fun, faster than you might think. You just need to take that first step and get started. And I promise you, the next day is gonna be way, way better.